Brought to you by Epic Adventure Outfitters.
Here we have Paul's new Epic Gladiator. You might notice it's a little different. This is what the new 2024 refresh looks like.
Ah, gotcha. It's a lot more rounded.
They finally wanted to go after the Toyota market, so they threw IFS in the front. Okay, all jokes aside, this is our new shop Ram 2022 1500 Rebel GT. That's right. We called up Chrysler. We're like, hey, we like that truck, and we also like that truck. Would be even better if you made this truck.
Here we go.
And then they sent us this one. So now we get to step into a different market. Everyone down in the States is buying like 1-ton trucks and having AEV prospectors built. That's all great if you're really, really rich. We're gonna try kind of the everyman truck. Ram's been putting out trucks for a while. We're gonna put it through its tests finally. This isn't a joke video. We're not just gonna go make hot dogs. Well, we probably will make hot dogs.
Definitely make it hot
but
dogs.
We're gonna make them in some wicked locations. What is a Ram Rebel GT? Well, the Ram Rebel is the off-road body styled, off-road 1500 if you say. It's got a rear locker. It sits 1/8 of an inch higher than factory.
Yep. 3.92 gears.
3.92 gears. It's got a really cool looking non-functional hood. It's got some tow hooks and this copied Raptor pre-runner front bumper.
Yeah, the bumper's got to go.
Yeah, that's definitely going. And the GT package.
Yeah, what's the GT?
It is the Goody Two Shoes package. So that's what GT stands for.
Good to know.
So it comes with basically an exhaust out of a Challenger. This thing sounds like it shouldn't. We've already been pulled over because people think it's an aftermarket exhaust. It's got the seats out of the TRX. So you've got the most comfortable seats you're gonna get in the Ram. It's got paddle shifting. It's got an SRT pages in it. It's got
stick shift instead of the
It
wash
has
machine.
a center column you can
Stick shift, yeah.
play with while you're driving instead of the washer dryer knob. It's just all in all an awesome package. What are we gonna do to this?
Yes, what are we doing here?
I said we should leave it alone.
Hell no.
Paul said no.
Hell no.
So we're gonna modify it a little bit so he can get to Costco and back. We've contacted a bunch of companies. You will see which companies as we go, but we had to get started and we've been so busy with the engine conversions trying to make Jeeps into Rams,
Yeah.
that now we're gonna try and make a Ram into a Jeep.
Cool.
So you'll notice there's something on the back already. That was our first stop. We headed all the way to Montana and picked up this beautiful short bed, full-size truck, GoFast Camper.
And it's locked.
And of course it's locked, because we have a ridiculous amount of room in here. Do you understand how many scottles you can fit in here? Like, you could probably fit at least several dozen scottles, a couple propane fire pits, I don't know, every gear bag you can molly panel stick to anything you want.
Yeah.
This is a blank canvas of awesomeness. This bed needs some help. So we contacted Decked, and they have nicely sent up a really nice drawer system that we've always liked, but never really had the right application to use it. But we are going to use it this time around. So it's nothing worse than having to go to the very back of your bed trying to get things and grab it. So we're going to put a drawer system. And because it's not as watertight as you think, we didn't want to put goose gear back here. So that's why we went with the Decked unit. So what we got here is the complete Decked system for the back of a 5.5-foot bed Ram truck. They were nice enough. I think the kit now comes with some of the D boxes. You get the small one and the large one. That's gonna be really good. This one would work well with Paul's makeup. We got a backpack. That's nice. These are the two drawers. We've got the spine. We've got all the little bins on the side and the front and rear of the wheel wells. Obviously this is the platform. And all the mounting hardware is throughout here. Looks like we even got drawer dividers. We're pre-building the deck unit as says in the instructions. Please follow the instructions as they make it very clear to do so. One for the missus. Honestly, the deck people have made some of the best instructions I've ever seen for humor. I like a company that has the lights. Literally, it'll tell you if you did something stupid, go fix it, smack yourself in the hand. I love it. This is just phenomenal. You wanted the water out of the drawer, right?
Yes, please.
Okay.
I don't want any water in the drawer.
Okay.
It's not a bathtub, even though it probably could be used as a bathtub. For a small
We're
child.
not making an overland bathtub.
Overlap bathtub. We could be onto something.
No, no,
The
no
deck
hashtag, no, no,
Deck
no,
people
no.
need to know about this idea.
No. This is one of the fun pieces. Look, it even has the metric system on here.
Metric?
I know. That's just, it's another unit of measurement. Don't worry about it.
Nice.
Yeah, yeah. This piece is gonna go, this has a bottle opener. Because what doesn't these days?
Need a bottle opener.
Look at that, that's gonna be, it's gonna be tits. We just finished fashioning down all the J-hooks, which you did by hand because I couldn't fit a tool on them. And it's all snug and centered. The bottle opener is dead center, so no matter where you are in the vehicle, you have ample access to open your beer.
Excellent.
And then, not only do the ammo cans have lids, they also can have cup holders. You gotta be very delicate with your fingers.
How delicate?
I don't think we can say it on YouTube,
All right.
but your mom liked it. Just like she likes it.
Oh, that's
There we
new
go.
too. I haven't seen that.
We just utilized useless space. Got a nice divider there. This way. Ah, there we go.
Nice. Nice. There we go.
There we go. A divider for crap. So, our other pocket bags here. Heck, we can even separate our backpack.
Awesome.
Look at that. So this is pretty amazing. We're going to be able to organize this pretty cool, so that we don't have to dig in to get stuff. So
Right.
our end goal is to make this a very minimalistic but useful off-road camping vehicle type thing, I guess. So the deck unit is nice. Whether it stays in this configuration, time will tell. But these D-boxes have always been one of my favorite products they've made, and I like how they've switched from the blue color. In fact, they have a backpack and tool roll and everything. That's even cooler. So like it has like everything you need, all in one little pack. So we'll get to organizing this, and you got to abuse it. You got to be like, take that. And then you shut it, start driving.
Looking for an epic ram? Give us a call.